Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm doing the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this one's number 47. And our only requirement is to decorate it however we want to decorate it. But to use a crossword puzzle somehow and fill in a few of the blanks and just decorate it however we want. So I hope you're doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I've already got my background down and I've already inked everything. Let's see how we're going to do this. I love this kitty cat, so I think I want to put it there somehow. I've got my bird. I think maybe I want to do something like that. And I've got a fish. So I want to do my, maybe have the flowers there. And I'm thinking just something like that would be nice. So let's get this down. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I am almost finished with book 7 of the Vampire Knitting Club. And it's been a lot of fun. It's been really good. I've enjoyed reading it. It's just a fun little series. Cozy mystery. Alright. Let's see here. Make it something kind of like that. Maybe scooch it up a little bit. And get that down. And let me get my bird glued down since that stump goes under. I like the stuff kind of going off the edge there. Alright, get my kitty cat down. We're still watching Sherlock. Been enjoying that. Not a whole lot more going on. I need to get back to my cooking channel. I've been off of it for a few weeks. It's just been too hot, and I love cooking. I don't love the filming and editing of it. It's a lot more to it. And even though I've got 2,100 subscribers, the videos are so short that I'm just not getting. And of course, I won't get the watch hours if I don't put anything out. But I've just been kind of disheartened with it a little. And it's a lot to moving around, and I don't have a working dishwasher. The dishwashers doesn't work. It took me till I was in my 50s to even, or late 40s, to even get a dishwasher, and then it didn't last very long. We're renting here, and they would be happy to replace it, but there's some issues with the plumbing, and I think that needs to be resolved. So I had done dishes for so long, I didn't see any point of making them pay for something and it not work. So I think I'm just going to put a bird in that one. Fish. Let's see, cat. Flower. Let's see what else we could put. Let's see. Pals. Maybe not in real life, but in my collage, your pals. Fun. I'll put fun right up here. So I'm happy with that. I am just kind of going to go around the edge to help these pop off a little bit. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Design. If you're watching me, I'm sure you're watching her. She is so talented. I love her channel. And she does this, and we're almost to the end of this one, I believe. I do her bird collage as well. I just like how the black just kind of draws a little bit of depth to this. Just kind of going around it, just haphazardly. Okay, around these. Okay. I will be starting some new journals. I've still got to finish my Peter Rabbit. I hope to get it done this week. And I was so kindly asked by Anton of Botanic Vintage Supplies if I would do some fall journals using his kits. And I love his kits. So I've got a couple I picked out, and he was so kind to give them to me. So I'm anxious to get his stuff up. He'll have a discount code, and it's listed in my description box. I love doing fall. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. It's just such a fun. I love the oranges and the browns and the russets and all of those beautiful colors. And he has some gorgeous kits, and I have a few, well, I know I have at least one Gothic roses that I'm going to be doing probably closer to October. But I have got to get busy with all of that and not procrastinating. But it's such an honor to be asked to do something like that. It means the world to me. He is a sweet guy. Liking how this looks. That black around it just helps it to pop from the background. Okay, and now my fish. I love these images. These came from that cut and collage book, except for this one. No, it came from the cut and collage book too. I think they all did. Of course, the background didn't. I really use it a lot. I've enjoyed it. Okay, got that going. I am so ready for fall. We had about a week or so of really nice weather. I mean, especially for us here in the South. We don't get that in August typically, and it was just kind of almost felt like fall, 60s in the mornings, and it was just not very humid. But boy, it's making up for it now. It's very humid and muggy, and it just takes your breath away when you go outside. So I guess it's summer's last hurrah, or one of its last hurrahs. Let's see here. I'm gonna do some gold splatters. Okay, get that going. And just all right. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.